Most of the interactions between universities and industry occur in geographical proximity. However, the influence of geographical proximity in driving university-industry collaborations becomes complex when the multinational enterprises are considered. Large multinational enterprises have abundant human and financial resources that enable them to collaborate with universities in larger distances. The organization of multinational enterprises as multiple offices distributed across various locations further complicates the issue. However, little is known about how multinational enterprises coordinate their interaction with universities in this complexity of multiple locations. For example, we do not know whether they collaborate more frequently with distant universities or whether the geographical distribution patterns of their interactions show similarities across all their subsidiary units. To answer these questions, I conduct a bibliometric study on the co-publication partnerships of a Norwegian multinational enterprise, Equinor, the state-owned oil and gas company of Norway. The collaborations are grouped as local, national, continental, and global according to the location of different Equinor bases and their respective university partners. The results of the study indicate that more than half of the co-publications are produced with universities located in other countries than the Equinor bases, while the local level partnerships constitute only 1/4 of all co-publications. However, the shares of different geographical scales fluctuate and do not portray a similar distribution pattern across all Equinor bases. I conclude the paper by arguing that there is no one-size-fits-all type of influence of geographical proximity on university-industry collaboration patterns of multinational enterprises. If you want to learn more about my study, you can read the paper from the provided link. Hope you enjoy reading it and feel free to contact me if you have any questions.